this is how you're going to build your business credit. So after you've incorporated your business through your Secretary of State of whatever state that you live in, you're then going to go ahead and apply for your EIN number. So your EIN number is almost like your business's social security number. So after you apply for your EIN number, you're going to go ahead and apply for your Duns and Bradstreet number. And this is one of the sources that that's like your credit line, right? So think of it as like a Equifax or TransUnion. So after you apply for your EIN number and your Duns and Bradstreet number, you're then going to take your EIN number and open up a business bank account with that EIN number. So after you open up your business bank account, you want to make constant transactions, whether it's $5, $20, $50, $100, however much you can put in there, put money constantly into that business bank account. So next, you want to go ahead and get your first tier of business trade line, which is a net 30 account. So I would recommend getting a NAV account. That's what I did. And I thought that was like the best thing that I could have possibly done for my business. Because then I went and paid $49.99 for NAV Boost. And it really helped me boost my business credit really, really quickly. So other than the NAV account, there are so many other Net 30 accounts that you can use. And Net 30 is pretty much an account that your business has to pay within 30 days, pay back within 30 days, right? So it's almost like a credit card where you can use and buy a whole bunch of stuff, but then you have to pay it back within 30 days. The different Net 30 accounts that I would recommend, I'm going to list them all here, but Uline, Granger, eCredible, there's so many different ones that you can pick from, Shirtsy, and each of them have different credit bureaus that they report back to. So you have to choose which ones make the most sense for you. And you also want to make sure that you're diversifying and each of them are reporting back to different credit bureaus. So that's tier 1. Tier 2 is now, because you're building relationship with your bank, you're putting money in there, you're investing, you guys are building relationships. Now you can go back to your bank and get a business bank card. So now you want to go and apply for another revolving account, which is also tier 2, the credit card. So you can go to Capital One, American Express, Discover, whatever makes the most sense for you. Make sure you guys are doing your research on what makes sense for your business, because there are different rewards, there are different things that these different companies are offering, and you want to make sure that whatever you choose aligns with your business goals and what you're trying to do. Tier 3 is now you can go ahead and apply for loans. So whether it's SBA loans, whether it's loans through your bank, you can apply for various different loans and get investors to invest in your business. That's how you're going to build your business credit. But you guys have to be disciplined. You have to be on point. Make sure you're making your payments on time. Make sure you're putting money into your bank account. Make sure that you're taking care of those Net 30 accounts, because they don't play. Just like how you can mess up your personal credit, you can mess up your business credit. So you want to make sure that you are on point and doing the right things. And good luck.